Today, I'm going to show you how to make a miniature McDonald's Travis Scott meal, and then I'm going to use this meal in a diorama featuring Spongebob and Patrick. Let's go! So recently, McDonald's released a new burger that's endorsed by Travis Scott. It's basically a quarter pounder with cheese with some added ingredients like bacon. There's been a lot of hype around this burger. It's been nicknamed the Travy Patty, which is a play on the Krabby Patty from SpongeBob SquarePants. So I thought it'd be fun to make a diorama featuring SpongeBob and this burger. Let me guide you through the process of putting this thing together. The first thing I'm gonna do is build the burger out of polymer clay. We're gonna start with some brown clay to make the patty. I used a cookie cutter to cut out a tiny circle, and then I rolled some aluminum foil over the clay to give it some texture. After that, I brushed some dark chalk pastels over the clay to add a bit more realism to the patty, making it darker in certain spots. Next was the cheese. I cut out 2 squares of yellow clay. I had to mix a bit of orange with a lighter shade of yellow in order to get this particular shade of yellow. Then comes the bacon. I created the marbling effect by rolling some red, white, and pink clay together. So I cut these pieces out and added a bit of texture to them. And lightly brushed some chalk pastels on top as well. Then comes the lettuce. Again, with the marbling effect, I mixed various shades of green and yellow to create this look. I cut out some pieces, rolled some aluminum foil on top, and added some more texture with a needle tool. Now we're gonna dice up some onions. And I made a couple of pickles as well. And now it's time to make the buns. Again, I used a cookie cutter to cut some circles. And then I brushed some chalk pastels on top to give them a more natural color. And finally, I added some little sesame seeds on top of the bun. Now it's just a matter of placing all the ingredients on top of each other to create the burger. I also added some sauces, ketchup and mustard. I made these by mixing liquid polymer clay with chalk pastels for color. You put the bun on top and now the burger is done. I'll quickly make some French fries now. After I cut them out, I colored them with some yellow chalk pastels. Now I wanted to make some packaging for the French fries, so what I did was I took an actual French fry box and unfolded it, and then I scanned it into my computer. I pulled it up in Photoshop to create a template. I repeated the same process for the quarter pounder box and the drink. Once those were scanned in, I printed them out in a smaller scale onto matte photo paper, and then I cut them out and glued them together to get these. I also made some miniature napkins, some tangy barbecue sauce, some ketchup packets, and a receipt to complete the meal. And this is how it all turned out. Alright, so we've built the burger, now it's time to build the diorama. For this scene, I'm going to be using these Spongebob and Patrick figures. I got them on eBay a long time ago. I think they were originally sold at the Universal Studios gift shop. I'm not 100% sure about that, but you might be able to find them there if you're interested in them. So I will start by creating a backdrop for the walls. I used this pattern here, which I printed out and then glued onto a piece of foam board. I then printed out various posters related to Travis Scott and glued them onto the wall, along with a shelf, which was made out of foam board. And then I put these Travis Scott sneakers on the shelf. These sneakers were sent to me from kicksmini.com. I'm actually going to be doing a full-length sneaker collection video soon, so stay tuned for that. For the floor, I printed out this pattern, which I believe was some concrete originally, but I colored it to sort of a tan yellow color to make it look like sand. I then made a table by cutting a semicircle out of foam board and then wrapping this fabric around it. and I propped it up using some clay as the base. I then placed the items on the table, and in addition to the food, I wanted to put a few more things on the table. So I 3D printed this Travis Scott Astroworld head and painted it gold. I got the STL file from thingiverse.com. I also had some of these cereal boxes from a previous project that I worked on. And I customized this tiny Travis Scott figure by painting an old Ant-Man toy that I had lying around. So after gathering all the remaining items, I arranged them into the scene, and then I took the photo with my camera. This is how the final image turned out. For this shot, I used a fisheye lens. It distorts the image, it kind of bends it a little bit and makes the center pop out at you, which is something that I like. And I've used this lens on a lot of my photos. Please check out my Instagram if you want to see more of my art. I post a ton of stuff on there that you won't see here on YouTube. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.